Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. I'm going to be going over and reviewing the Pro USB flash drive audio recorder voice activated. Now if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on the latest spy news by following us on Twitter and Facebook. Let me first off start by saying that I love this design. It's simple, it's covert, and it works. Hidden inside of this functioning USB flash drive is an advanced audio recorder that has the ability to be voice activated. On top of all of that, the recordings are time and date stamped for additional value, and that actually opens this recorder up to being used in court cases that require time and date stamping. Now, to touch back on voice activation for a second, all audio recorders that are voice activated are actually noise activated. Any and all noises will trigger recordings, such as footsteps, TV, radio. You kind of get the idea there. Now, what makes this recorder different is that it features true voice activation. When I say true, I mean that most audio recorders that are voice activated are always on and consuming battery life, even if there isn't any noise in the area. This device, however, will actually go to sleep, conserving battery life, and will automatically turn itself back on and trigger recording when it hears a noise. This allows the Pro USB flash drive to actually go to sleep for up to 25 days before needing to be recharged. In the box, you will find the audio recorder and a set of instructions. That's it. This is part of the reason why I like this device so much. The USB interface to charge the battery and pull the files off is built right into the front. There are no cables or accessories to lose. Next up, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Pro USB flash drive and then do some tests with it so you can see how it performs in some different ways. The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. Alrighty guys, what we have here is the Pro USB flash drive voice recorder. I'm going to show you guys how to trigger a recording, and then we're going to go do some tests with it. So this recorder actually has two different modes. And if we look closely right here, if I do that, you can see it pretty good. There's two dots on this side and a line on this side. And if you look closely at the top here, there's a little notch in the top of the flash drive itself. And if I take this notch and I move it one way or the other, it depends on what type of voice triggering you're going to do. So I'm going to take off this cap real quick. If I take this notch and I move it towards the continuous line, that triggers what they call continuous recording. And you can see the little light above here. Now if you put the cap on, you can't see that light. It's just for you guys to make sure that you have battery. Now that light went away, which means that we're recording, but if I take this and I move it back to the middle, that turns the recording off. And then the two dots on this side, so if I do that again, there you go, like that. You see how the notch is toward the two dots and the light's on right now? That does voice activated recording. So it's only going to trigger when you hear a noise. For our test today, I want to do continuous recording. So I'm going to turn it off. So right now it's in the notch is in the middle right there, so you can see. And then to do continuous recording, I'm going to take this wheel and I'm going to push it over towards the line. And again, there's the light. And as soon as that light goes away, that triggered the recording. So we've transitioned now from our camera system here to a GoPro, and all of the audio you're actually hearing is being done by the Pro USB itself. So we're going to do a couple of tests with this device just to see how it performs in various situations. Let's do the first one in our back stock room. Welcome to our back stock room. Today what we're going to do is a tabletop test, where I actually put the Pro USB flash drive in my pocket, sit in a chair, and then scoot underneath the table here and have a conversation with Kenny. Now keep in mind that all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the device itself. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is a review we received for the Pro USB flash drive. This device is well worth the price, not only for the product itself, but the outstanding customer service provided by the company and Alex Nettles. Every facet of this purchase, from initial research to watching the well-done demos, ordering, shipping, and receiving this item, was just plain awesome. Not often do I see a company provide such high level of customer service. Keep up the great work, and I'll be recommending you to all friends and associates. You all are simply the best.
Here we are in our storefront and ready for our next test. The first test we're going to do is actually a conversation test where I put the Pro USB flash drive in my pocket, okay? Now keep in mind that all of the audio you're hearing right now is actually being recorded by the Pro USB flash drive itself. How you doing, Penny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This is done in a normal speaking volume.
Pretty good. Okay, so for the next test, we're actually going to do a distance test and see how it performs at various distances. To do that, I have to hand the Pro USB flash drive off to Kenny. This is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And finally a test of the Pro USB flash drive at 30 feet. The battery life, time and date stamping, along with its design, all shape this recorder up to be one of the most versatile recorders I've ever seen. I highly recommend this product for its ease of use and longevity. We monitor the comment sections on all of our videos, so if you guys have questions about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you.